Jessica Jung's first novel, Shide, continued to cause controversy when earlier today, September 19, the Ice Princess shared some Instagram stories introducing the characters. The female lead of the novel is Rachel Kim, the male lead is Jason Lee, and the antagonist, who hates Rachel, named Chumina. Shine was promoted as based on Jessica's life, revealing many details about the entertainment industry, making many people excited, guessing who are actually the characters the former member of Girl Generation referred to in her novel. In particular, people are most interested in the identity of the antagonist, Chumina. As described, Chumina was born in Seoul into a powerful Chaebol family, always the focus of attention, likes to show off her dancing skills, and has a rumored boyfriend. This girl particularly dislikes the main character, Princess Rachel. As soon as the story was uploaded, netizens have been guessing which Girl Generation member Chumina was based on. At first glance, it seemed that this is a completely fictional character because no one in Girl Generation has such characteristics. Members born in Seoul are not main dancers and have outstanding dancing skills, but netizens quickly spotted the familiar body shape. Exactly so, the figure of Chumina's character is a copy of a photo of Taeyeon at the time Girl Generation debuted. Although Taeyeon was not born in Seoul in a wealthy family, nor is she a main dancer, but with many rumors that Jessica and Taeyeon were in a conflict, and Taeyeon led the boycott toward Jessica, netizens believe Jessica has long held a hatred for her former groupmate, to now even build up an antagonist inspired by Taeyeon. This discovery has stirred up controversy among netizens. Although knowing Shy is a novel, the fact that it is based on Jessica's life makes the details in the book more legit. From the beginning, Jessica is said to use Girl Generation with this novel, so netizens cannot help but feel dissatisfied that the Ice Princess might have gone too far. Currently, the details revealed in Shide are still a hot topic on social media and only getting more and more attention. It seems like Jessica has successfully promoted her book. Moreover, Jessica will officially release Shine on September 30, the anniversary of her departure from Girl Generation, promising endless dramas and fan wars to break out when the entire content of the book is revealed.